Unsure of what NAICS code to use to get funding? Inside my credit community, I show you low risk NAICS code that are going to get you optimal amount of funding for your business. If you took someone's advice and started using all of these crazy NAICS codes to get you low risk funding, well, guess what? Here's a hack that nobody is talking about and no one is telling you. All of those marketers that used to use all of those consulting and management NAICS codes, all of those are done. They are powering down. But when they started another business using the codes that we discussed, 54155, this is for custom computer programming services. Again, we go over all of this stuff inside of the credit community. 5415512, computer systems design services. So I'm telling you guys, tech and AI is now in consulting, marketing. That is out. So make sure to stay tuned and join the credit community to learn more tips, tricks, and credit hacks to get you the funding that you need to optimize your business. Let's go.